I'm here today to show you the Zynq 7000 All Programmable SoC ZC706 Evaluation Kit and highlight some of its key features. This kit provides a platform for the evaluation of the Xilinx SoCs. This is an ARM Cortex-A9 processor-centric platform that offers software, hardware, and I/O programmability all in a single chip. It's a transceiver-based kit where you have access to 16 GTX transceivers running at 6.6 gigabits per second. These are split between the FMC connector, SFP, SMA, and PCIe Gen 2x4 edge connector fingers. The Zynq SoC device provides the most efficient ARM plus FPGA for analytics and control, the most extensive OS, middleware, and stack ecosystem available, and the highest level of security and reliability. The ZC706 kit gives you all the necessary hardware, tools, and IP to quickly evaluate and develop a transceiver-based embedded system and target markets like automotive, aerospace and defense, broadcast, consumer, medical, and wired and wireless communication. Let's jump in and show you what's inside the box. The ZC706 board, featuring the Zynq 7045 All Programmable SoC, gives you access to a dual-ARM Cortex-A9 processor and 16 6.6 gigabit transceivers. You have all the basic components of hardware, design tools, IP, and pre-verified reference designs, including a targeted reference design that shows you how to set up a video processing example with focus on PCI Express connectivity and an ARM Cortex-A9 processing and offload application. You have access to 2 industry FPGA mezzanine connectors, that's FMC, with access up to 9 transceivers. This allows for scaling and customization with daughter cards. You also receive a full Vivado Design Suite Design Edition license that's node locked and device locked to the Zynq 7045 All Programmable SoC. Also included is a Linux Live Fedora DVD, which is used as part of the reference design. Here we have the ZC706 baseboard featuring a Zynq 7045 All Programmable SoC. You have access to 1 gigabyte of DDR3 component memory connected to the PS, the processor subsystem, and another 1 gigabyte of DDR3 SODIMM memory connected to the PL, the programmable logic. This allows for a highly flexible memory configuration with trade-offs on how you manage your data path through the processor or programmable logic. There's access to 16 GTX transceivers on this card. With a Dash 2 device, they run at 6.6 gigabits per second. There are 8 on the HPC and 1 on the LPC FMC connectors. There's 4 on the PCI Express fingers, 1 on an SMA pair, 1 on an SFP plus pair, and the last one is wired capacitively coupled TX to RX loopback configuration. You've got onboard configuration circuitry, a dual-quad SPI flash that's 128 megabits, SDIO card interface that's used to boot from, a gigabit Ethernet on the processor subsystem that supports RGMI, a USB OTG port, you've got I2C, and a USB UART. For video, you've got HDMI video in and video out ports. You've got 3 user push buttons, 2 user switches, and 8 user LEDs. For I/O expansion, there's access to 2 FMC connectors. One is an LPC that has 34 LVDS pairs and 1 transceiver. The other is HPC and has 48 differential pairs and 8 transceivers. There are 12 more I/O with 8 access through I2C, all on PMOD headers. You can access the XADC analog pins and access a 12-bit, 17-channel, 1 megabits per second dual ADC that's built right into the Zynq device. As you can see, the Zynq 7000 All Programmable SoC ZC706 Evaluation Kit is more than just a board. This ZC706 kit will let you explore and evaluate the Zynq SoC in applications like advanced driver assistance systems, professional cameras or enterprise video conferencing, 4K, 2K, Ultra, HD TV, multifunctional printers, machine vision or video surveillance, medical applications, and wired and wireless communication applications like carrier Ethernet backhaul, and LTE radio, or small cell baseband. To learn more, watch additional videos, or purchase your kit, please visit xilinx.com/ZC706. Thank you.